Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kipat ba kanong ba Shillong kilakmi lenti labon pautali ki snem bandon ki surok ki bayat nalor lani ki flyover kumbalong lem haki wei ki nong ba. Let's see kin sa yoi ya ka flyover ka baneng kong hagani ka nong ba hagani ki khendiat snem ki banwan namar ba ka sarkar kalapan kre ya ka jing penwandor bantai ya ka surok ka bayat nalor na Umshyrpi Sharino Museum. Yakani le ya thodo menteri rangba ka jela Konrad Sangma haba jubab ya ka jingkeli la ka sarkar kadang la ni bantai flyover hanong ba Shillong wadah pedeng ka jing bemyo jaka bat ka jing kapnya ka ba Shirkai menteri rangba ulaong balada dang don kalat an penjerong susu ya ka flyover shadu than Anjalee.
Number two, there are certain locations where flyovers are coming up. As you know, the Umshyrpi bridge in that area to that museum, Rhino Museum, and maybe even up to where the current Anjalee point is. This entire section is being looked at, and we will come up with definitely a flyover there. In other areas, we have to look at the availability of space, because even for a flyover to come up, you have to realize that we need that space for the pillars to come up, as well as for the section of that part of the road to go up. So because of the congestion and because of the constructions that have taken place in different locations, all locations are not feasible, though they are desirable, but they're not feasible. And hence, wherever the feasibility also is there, definitely we will look into this aspect. And this has been a subject which has been proposed for a very long time by many people, and we'll be definitely happy to examine it.
Haba kelipat halor ka rai jong ka sarkar pedeng lingba ka tanat defense ban penhap no yaki jaka jong ki civil cantonment ha India sha ki municipal jong ka sarkar jilla u Konrad ulu yatho bahagani ka jilla ru ka kam menta kala nang yai ne ka benta ban penpa yaki jaka ki bahap ha civil cantonment sha ka sarkar jilla lain no ki military cantonment ha ka baka jingya kren kadang yai bat ki bor badai khmi ha ka baye dei bat kani.
When I said forest land, I want to very clearly say owned by forest department, but it's not that it's a forest land designate. You will see the land, you can go and see it now also. It is right in the middle of two buildings and it's not being utilized. We feel that there can be a parking lot and some small zone where we can accommodate small shops and this and that. But more importantly, parking lot will come in there and decongest things. But yeah, while we do all of this planning all across, I am very clear in my mind that the process will keep environment aspect also in front. So it's not that you're going to see just large buildings coming everywhere. The idea is to decongest. Idea is to add beauty to the city. Idea is to create utility. Idea is to also create green space, and all of this will happen together. It will be a balanced approach, and we will try to ensure that we take all the departments on board while we work on that plan. Two parts. There is a cantonment which is a military base already, and there is the civil base. So the military base will not be handed over. It is only the civil one, and that process is on. Identification of those areas are on. Discussion with Ministry of Defence is on. So that process is going on, and so therefore I will not be able to give you any comment, but the process is going on at a very fast pace.
Roughly the size of the area and how it will...
You've asked me this last time also, I can't remember right now, but I mean total area was 40 plus, I think.
Acres?
It was, but then out of that I think the civilian part was only about 4 or 8.